Welcome to the Teacher Access Center Attendance Overview. Teachers will no longer record homeroom attendance on the attendance card or record class attendance in each course gradebook. Homeroom teachers will record daily attendance once each day during homeroom in Teacher Access Center. In eSchool Plus, attendance is split into half-day segments. This is why you see two rows, AM primary homeroom and PM primary homeroom, to accommodate a student's full or half-day attendance data in eSchool Plus. Note, if you are not assigned to a homeroom, you will not see these rows. If all students are present, from the TAC home page, homeroom teachers should click the AM and PM paper icon to confirm all students are present in homeroom. This indicates to the office that you have recorded homeroom attendance for the day. To record students as absent, from the TAC home page, click Attendance from the toolbar, or click either chair icon to open the Entry by List screen. Make sure the M is selected. This ensures the student will be marked absent for the full day. Place a check in the A column next to each student name absent from homeroom. Click Save. The indicator will change from unsaved changes to changes saved. This completes the steps necessary to record attendance. On the home page, a check will display on both the AM and PM paper icons once the teacher has recorded all students present or has marked any students as absent. Notes about attendance entry. When you check a student name in TAC, it marks them absent in eSchool Plus for the full day. Default code 21 unlawful. The office will manage all edits, corrections, and updates in eSchool Plus, such as tardy and early dismissals or editing codes to another lawful code, such as illness or other. The teacher will see an O next to a student name in the Entry by List view if the office has entered and/or updated a student's attendance for the day. If the teacher hovers over the O, it will display additional information. Teacher should notify the office if a mistake was made when recording daily attendance. Do not take attendance using the seating chart or photo options. This will not record attendance correctly, as it will only enter a half-day absence for the student. Teachers will no longer capture individual class attendance. Teachers can add comment notations about a student's absence from class on an assignment in TAC. To print a roster for your homeroom, from the TAC home page, click Class Management, Roster. Make sure you are viewing primary homeroom. Click Change to switch to a different class roster view if necessary. Before printing, you have the option to customize the report. Click the gear icon in the upper right corner to select your customization options. You can hide columns, or you can add empty or dated columns to the report. In addition, you have the option to save the custom settings or restore to the default view. Once you have the report set up as desired, click the Generate Report icon in the top right corner. The report will display in a PDF window. Select Print from the Adobe floating toolbar. The attendance bulletin is a real-time list of students marked absent in your building and their attendance detail information. As you and other teachers mark students absent in TAC and/or the office makes edits and updates in eSchool Plus, these can be viewed from the bulletin. To open the bulletin from the TAC home page, click Attendance Bulletin. There are a number of view options available to the teacher. The attendance date will default to today's date. You can view up to 5 prior days from the drop-down list. The building field will default to all. If you are only assigned to work in one building, there is no need to change this field. The drop-down list will only display your building name. If you work in multiple buildings, change to the desired building from the drop-down list. The sort option allows you to control the display of students in the list. Students to show and show attendance entered for allows you to view all students in the building or just students associated with your classes. As you make any changes to the view options, be sure to click Refresh Bulletin to view the latest data. Note the absence information for each student. There is an AM and PM row for each. The absence code displays along with any dismiss and arrive times and comments entered by the office. The source column notates the last person to add or edit the student attendance information. Teacher indicates the student was marked absent in TAC, but has not yet been updated or verified by the office. Office indicates the office has added attendance data and/or has updated or verified the attendance entry from TAC. For questions about a student's attendance, please check with the attendance secretary in your building. For questions and support in the use of Teacher Access Center, refer to the TAC online help or contact user support.